What's up, guys? So today I haven't made Frexy Gets Grounded videos in a long time. Sorry, guys, but I'm gonna make it right now. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notifications so you won't miss out a new video. Alright, Frexy. Today we're gonna go on a subway. No, I don't want to go on a subway because in the last days, back in the day, I did not like going on a trip. We have to because if you misbehave over there, you will be extremely grounded. Okay. I'll behave. All right. Okay, guys, we're here. Get out the car. Alright, guys, let's get in. Dang, there's a lot of people. Sorry, guys. Dang, there's a lot of people here. I know. Yes, a lot of people here. Let's get into the pool. Hey, you look like my teacher, Miss Paulina. Oh, yes, I do, Tookie. I do. Yes, you do. Hey, okay, here's your tickets. And then go on. Go on a chair and wait for the subway. Okay. Oh, it's so quiet in here. Yeah, it's like a little loud quiet. Yep, it's a little loud talking. A little bit. Okay, we just have to wait for the subway. Oh, here comes the subway. Oh, it's here. But we better head there before it leaves. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we got in here. Now let's go. Alright, make sure you don't throw a fit, Frexy. Okay. Because the subway's moving. Okay. A few moments later. This train is super long. I want to crash it. Hey, do not crash it. If you do, we're gonna die. Okay, I won't crash it. Okay, Frexy, we're here. So let's go on. Oh, my stomach hurts. I gotta use the potty. Hey, why is the driver going to the bathroom? He's supposed to be driving. It's because his stomach hurts and he's going to the bathroom. Okay. Ha ha ha. I am going to crash the train because this is super long. Hey. What? Can I use the bathroom? Oh, sure, you can. Okay. She didn't notice that the driver is in the bathroom. Haha. I'm gonna pull off the wheel. I gotta pull off this one because I'm gonna crash the train. Oh, I'm like a witch. Yes, I finally made it. I hope my family died and not survived. Dun dun. Oh my God. OMG, guys. I thought you died. Yeah. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Are you guys? Yes, we are okay. We almost died and we survived. I know you guys survived. What happened? I don't know. Something was just off. Was that a car accident or something? Was that a train who crashed us? No. Then who did it? Was it? Yeah! Was it you? Tell me the truth. If you did, you are extremely grounded and no more McDonald's for a year, a day, a month, or all of them, all of them. Tell me the truth right now. Yes. Did you actually crash the train? Yes. Yes, I did. Ow! Frexy! How dare you crash the train? We almost died and we all survived. And everybody died. That is it. You are grounded, 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 grounded forever. Go to your room right now and go to your room, go home right now and go to sleep. We're going home. Let's go. Hey guys, if you want to visit my YouTube profile, just click here.